My name is Alan Baker, and I've dedicated over 45 years to the study of the combative arts. Welcome to the Warrior's Path, where we train minds and bodies through the study of violence. All right, guys, I am in Savannah, Georgia with my teacher, longtime teacher, Master Pedro Sauer. And so the first question would be for the bottom guy. If I end up there and I'm separated from the gun, mechanically, what can I do to get it back to me and get control over it?
So,
Yeah,
you gotta
big believer in that. Yeah.
you gotta have that. If my shoulder gets stuck outside here, and you separate my arm,
And they're putting weight.
yeah, this way he can be trouble. So let's imagine if you over there, and I'm stuck here. See, I have to. Yep. This way
Same thing.
this can be a little bit of trouble here, because see right now you connect there. Over here will be very bad for me. Over here is very tight. Unless I go here first. Go back again. And if I go here first, I can
Go in and down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Let's try it. So you were turning and making the frame
Right
down.
there first. See, when you make the frame there, now you see you can do it. Because if you go straight to the gun, try to go back again. See if you can go straight to the gun.
Yeah, it's gonna be tough.
See, when you go straight to the gun, my body get in the way there.
There's no space. Only routes here, and that's
It's tough too.
you can go higher on me
Yep.
if I don't do some sort of
Now,
control.
if you go across my hips here first, right there, now stretch, yeah, just stretch your arm right there, like you're gonna stretch. See, now you're free. And if I try to put weight here, I'm helping you. No, you can't stretch your arm farther. Right, yeah, see. I'm helping you if you do that. Go back again. Now just do it. There you go. Even if I try to, yeah, I'm helping you now. Now what you do here, you should do a bridge too. Now you catch, there you go. There you
That feels safer for
Yes,
the reach
yes.
because I'm not straightening my arm entirely.
Yes, that's what you gotta do right there. So at the same time you gotta clear this space there. And after that you gotta go for the bridge. There you go. Now you can get this.
Because when we're grappling for it, once I regain it closer to the body, it's percentage-wise.
Yeah.
The times I'm more successful goes up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you separate there, that can be a trouble.
Which is why they want to do it.
Think about this. When I'm here, if I'm over there, now I'll do it to my hips here. Now if you do the bridge here,
Put it up high.
yep, now look at that, your arms are free.
You can almost scoot over
Yep.
to it too, probably, to keep the arms
And you can keep there, you always bring towards me right there.
in a good position.
And it's something you can try to exercise too. Is when you turn this way here, is to keep your thumb pointed, ready to fire. Yeah, with a big thumb there, right there. Boom!
Yeah, it hasn't already gone off. Yeah.
There'll be something, if the gun is ready to go, when you twist it, it's ready to fire. When you twist over here, like, boom. If you want to be more specific.
We've been playing a lot with airsoft and sims, so I'll plug it in and see what happens.
People's gonna start because when you start twisting this way, if the thumb is ready there,
Yeah.
you gotta think about the shot. It's gonna happen.
All right. All right. That was a good day. Hopefully you guys got some information out of that or something you can use. And again, if you like the information you're seeing, give us a like and subscribe. Also, we have a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu video archive, and you can check that out with a link in the bio.